In today's video, we're diving into Gemini 3 and Nano Banana to explore how AI can support architecture workflows. I'll walk you through real examples from model rendering to diagram generation and show how these tools can help you build a full presentation board efficiently. In this video, I'll show you how to use Gemini to generate images. The Nano Banana tool is built directly into its chat, and you can also access Nano Banana separately through Google AI Studio. Both versions use the same model, which means your prompts and your results will be identical. So here I'll start by logging in at gemini.google.com. Open the chat bar and type in your prompt. For the first task, I'm pasting a view from my raw SketchUp model and asking Gemini to generate a detailed daytime rendering of the building in Los Angeles. The street should include cars and typical LA urban details. It takes about 12 seconds to generate the rendering, and I'm really happy with the result. The surrounding context, the plum trees, and the overall environment all match Los Angeles well, and the facade details are nicely captured. So next, I ask the AI to create a bird's eye view of the same building, keeping the same context and architectural details, and it automatically generates a solid bird's eye view with consistent accuracy. If you're looking for more ideas on how to use Nano Banana and how to write effective prompts, my prompt guidebook includes all the methods I've tested successfully, plus examples showing exactly what I input and what I got as output. It covers things like turning a 2D plan into a 3D perspective rendering for both landscape and architecture design. Here, I'm going to copy one of the prompts, the one that turns a building rendering into a colored isometric diagram, and paste it into my last chat bar. In another 10 seconds, it generates a full set of diagrams, color-coded 3D blocks that represent different spatial functions, with bold, transparent typography embedded inside each volume. And then I asked the AI to generate an exploded, multi-story diagram with layered volumes. Great, but the position of the core is incorrect. Next, I tested it with a facade generation diagram. Asked it to show 4 steps to build the facade pattern so it matches my SketchUp model. Conceptually and color-wise, it's pretty good, but the details aren't accurate. I'm thinking I should sketch each diagram first to help the AI understand more clearly. Since in this video, I want to show how to create a full presentation board for this architecture project, I'm going to move on. I'll go back to my prompt guidebook and duplicate a prompt that converts a rendering into a section drawing. Then it generates a clean, professional section with people cutouts and functional spaces. The detailing is really good. After that, I asked it to add color to the section. Additionally, I can ask it to color each floor according to its function, with annotations included. It even uses the same color palette as the exploded diagrams from earlier, which helps keep the presentation board consistent. Next, I asked it to turn my rendering into a thin line, clean style, isometric diagram. The overall style, color palette, and shadow details all turned out really well. I can also keep asking it to add annotations to the diagram. Then I move on to get more renderings. I ask the AI, based on its understanding of this project, to generate a lobby interior for me. You can see that the interior colors and materials match the facade really well, and the view outside the window shows plum trees, which fit perfectly with the surrounding environment. Then I asked it to generate a view of the roof garden as well. Lastly, I bring all the generated images together and ask the AI to create a landscape presentation board based on its understanding of the project. This part isn't as accurate as the earlier steps, I tried several times, and it kept adding new elements or diagrams to the board. I'll probably replace some of the diagrams manually, but overall, the result is still very impressive. If you want to generate a presentation board, one simple method is to provide only a prompt and ask it to create posters, or give the AI a single architectural rendering and ask it to turn it into a full poster layout. Both approaches work well. If you're looking for more workflows for landscape design, architecture, or urban design using Nano Banana, feel free to check out the guidebook. The content is constantly being updated. Just log into the website again, and you'll find the latest prompts and examples. Thanks for watching. I hope this walkthrough gives you new ideas for using AI in architecture, landscape, and urban design.